Damn it, boy.
Patrolman Mark Jerome at 9 looks at a step. His hips don't swivel quickly, and he's definitely not light on his feet. And has gained 40 pounds in the past 4 years.
I always eat burger, that's why and coke. Yeah, soft drinks. And sometimes I cannot sleep.
Sabes que yo te quise bastante, te dio corazón. Es cierto que la hora temprana me pagó.
This, oh my God.
And it's wrapping up the Q's Rockline Theme Thursday.
Okay, Garmin, same video.
Hurry up, man.
Westbound, on Ocean 90, you're coming into a dust storm. It looks like somebody just totaled their truck.
Hey, Sherlocker, coming up to the light. Got it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
I might be seeing things, but it looks like top of the load on your tractor is on fire, and I can smell wood burning.
Really?
Yeah.
Coffee.